Eucalyptus tree originated in Australia and has been a source of food for wildlife for centuries. It wasn't until later on that humans discovered its positive health benefits. The leaves of a eucalyptus tree are gathered, dried, crushed, and then distilled into an essential oil. After the oil has been extracted, it must be diluted before it can be used for medicinal purposes such as treating sinus congestion, common cold, fever, and other respiratory ailments. So how exactly does eucalyptus oil work? Eucalyptus contains many components that are beneficial for your health. Most notably, cineol is an active ingredient that works as an expectorant, which means that it can ease a cough and aid in the removal of secretions. Cineol has antioxidant effects that can provide a boost to your immune system. Studies found that it also has antimicrobial effects on some of the types of bacteria that causes respiratory illnesses. It has been shown to be beneficial in treating sinus infections as well. Eucalyptus oil reacts with the mucous membranes of the lungs and helps loosen up secretions so that they can be coughed up more easily. Keep in mind, eucalyptus is not a bronchodilator and should not be used as a replacement for albuterol or other prescription medications. As always, please check with your doctor before using or consuming eucalyptus oil, especially if you have a respiratory condition such as asthma or COPD. And you may be wondering, where can you purchase eucalyptus oil? This essential oil is sold both as a supplement and it's an active ingredient in many over-the-counter products.